guys, it's Danny. I'm back with my GP Studio March box unboxing, and this is phenomenally late. I do apologize. I've just been insanely busy with school and I just haven't had a chance to even open this myself. I haven't opened it at all. It's nearly the end of April and I haven't even cracked it open, so I'm going to do so now. And I thought some of you might still appreciate seeing this unboxed, even though I'm sure a million other people have done it already, but you know, may as well. I'll try to be a bit more on time with next month. Okay, so this is looking cool. Alright. I've been steering clear of all the sneak peeks too, so I really don't have much of an idea of what's in here at all. Okay, let's get started. Pencil case, yeah, it's okay. Not really too interested in pencil cases, unless they're really pretty. This pen's pretty. Rose gold pen with a pearl on the top. Very pretty, they always do pretty pens. So it's just a twist top. So just a black ballpoint, writes nicely though. We'll have to do some more investigating on whether or not I can change the ink out in this. Next we have quote cards, pretty backing paper as usual, and we have rose gold foil. Every day is a fresh start, I like that one. Every day is a new day, that's true, I like that one. Kind joy, find joy in the ordinary, that's pretty. Kind people are my kind of people, that's cute. I like that floral. We have divider tabs. There we go, 2 of each. These are really pretty. I like this floral one and this white one particularly. Sticky notes, like a makeup compact and a lady putting her lipstick on. I don't know that I like these just because there's not really a lot of space to write, and that kind of defeats the purpose of sticky notes to me. And yes, we have some adhesive pockets. I love these. I was really excited last time we got them. Backing paper is pretty. So again, 2 large and 2 smaller ones. I like the patterns of both of these. This is a floral and this is just like a brush stroke. Pretty. Next up we have die cuts and they're huge. Wow, they're really big this month. Okay, so let's have a look at these. Big backing paper, which is really pretty. Actually really like those die cuts. I like nice big die cuts. That one might be a little bit big for me just because I'm in a personal size and it's just gonna be too wide, but I'll probably be able to put it on if I like cut the back wheel off or something. That'd still be cute. Next we have this pad. It's like a notepad, but it's got notes and next week and then all your days of the week and a weekend box, which is really cool actually, really handy to plan out your week ahead, especially if you want to have everything like at a glance. This would be really good if you're in a B6 actually, because you could just stick that on a dashboard and have it right in front of you and your week at a glance. That's really handy. Next we have the sticker kit, and I've really been liking these. I actually just used one in my TN for a weekly spread and it was perfect actually. It went really nicely, so pretty happy with that. I can get a week spread out of one of these with leftovers. So they're cute little full boxes, well, little full boxes. Deco sheet, more boxes and headers. This will be really nice in the springtime. Washy little things and some little check boxes, some metallic headers, some functional deco, date covers and icons. I really like those date covers, they're pretty. Water boxes, flags, more headers, weekend banner, and your divider tab labels. Really like that sticker kit. Next we have the washi tape, and it's all rose gold foil and this cool print. Really like that. That's cool. Really like that foiling on there. Very pretty. And I can see some acetate in there. And we have the papers. This is always my most exciting part. I don't know why I like this the best. I think it's just because when I'm doing dashboards, I start out with the papers and the acetate and the vellum, and it's like the backdrop for everything else. And if they're ugly, then the whole thing is just not great. Okay, so this is a really pretty acetate. Gold foiling on there, as you can see, and let me just get some white paper behind that so you can see that really pretty leaf print. Very delicate. I really like that. Good job on the acetate, guys. Then this is the vellum. It's just like a gingham check print. Yeah, it's nice. It's pretty. I could take or leave it. Next we have this. I think it's leaves. It kind of looks a bit like feathers, but I think it's meant to be leaves. And then on the reverse side, oh, it's foiled. Oh, that's pretty. I like that. I like both of those. Both sides of those. Really pretty. It's the same as that washi. Same sort of pattern. Then we have a really pretty pink pattern with little gold hearts on it. They're not foiled, but still really pretty. And then the reverse side is this beautiful gold foiled geometric. I'm not usually that big a fan of geometric, but I really like these pastels, and that rose gold is just gorgeous. Then we have this dusty purple floral, which is quite nice. Then this side is the side I like, that beautiful, beautiful floral, like watercolored big cabbage roses. Super, super pretty, really like that. So really happy with all those papers. I really like the acetate. So all in all, I'm pretty dang happy with this one. Problem is, I'm not sure which TN this would look the best in. I'm really kind of stumped actually on this kit. So I'm going to put a list of the ones I own in the description box, and you guys drop me a comment and let me know which one you think this would look the best in, and I guess whichever wins, that's what I'll be doing a setup with. Right, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I'm sorry it was so late. Again, I'll try my best next month. And thank you so much for joining me. Bye guys.